Hello everyone, I am Evan Morales Dilemma and I'm the reporter of Group 4 and our topic is all about technology evaluation. Lesson 14. Introduction. Several lessons in this book have discussed the remarkable contribution of information and communication technology in transforming education today. The body of literature represents hundreds of various practices in using technology not only for educational purposes but also application in practically every facet of man's life. So it means ani ubay-ubay nga lesson aning libro na nagtalk ni siya sa talagsaon o paghatag o pag-contribute sa technology sa pagbago sa education or education and the body of literature or the results is nagrepresent ni siya og hundreds kalain-lain nga practices sa paggamit sa technology. Dili ra ni siya sa educational purposes but also sa application. Also sa application sa halos tanang bahin sa kinabuhi sa tao.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm going to read the definition of testing, assessment, and evaluation. Testing refers to a tool, technique, or method that is intended to complete a particular task. In this sense, testing can be considered as a form of assessment. Tests should meet some basis requirements such as validity and reliability. Assessment is a process of collecting information about students from diverse sources, so that educators can form an idea of what they know and can do with this knowledge. While the evaluation refers to the systematic gathering of information for the purpose of making decisions. It is not concerned with the assessment of the performance of an individual, but rather with the forming an idea of curriculum and making a judgment about it. This judgment is made based on some kind of criteria and evidence.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sir Al, and good morning to all. I'm the one representative the Group 4. So, the topic that is about technology. So, what is the technology? Theoretically, technology evaluation started in the United States of America at the end of 1960 when large-scale application of technology began to affect dramatically the life of citizens. So, technology evaluation is a set of principles, methods, and techniques and the tools for effectively assessing the potential value of a technology and its contribution to a company, a region, or an industrial sector. Another what is the technology? So, technology is a body of knowledge used to create tools, develop skills, and instruct or collect materials. It is also the application of science. So, napukoy ko answer ng another pod, sir. Technology is the application of science to solve problems. Technology is the making usage and knowledge of tools, machine, techniques, craft, and system of organization to solve problems. Technology is all around you. It has always been a part of your daily life. Yet could you define technology? That's all, sir, my topic.
Types of evaluation. Formative evaluation is one type of evaluation which is normally conducted during the development of program, intended to ensure that goals of instruction of technology program are achieved by means of identifying problematic areas and consequently provide remedies for improvement. This type of evaluation is intended to support the process of improvement while the program is still in its formative stage. Summative evaluation. is another type of evaluation which is usually conducted at the end of a operating period of a program or a project. It is intended to guide decisions makers on whether or not to continue, adopt, or modify the program. Depending on the result of the summative evaluation, it can likewise lead to suspensions of the program. So, formative evaluation involves the collection of data and information during the development process that can be used to improve the effectiveness of the instructions. Then, summative evaluation. Summative evaluation, sometimes referred to as external, is a method of judging the worth of a program at the end of the program activities. The focus is on outcome or the final product.
Goals of technology evaluation. The primary goal of most evaluation studies is to generate useful feedback to the various stakeholders. In an education settings, in technology program or initiative usually get to the lion's share of operating budget. Is technology evaluation. Technology evaluation is to provide a concise review of the design, basic technology, clinical use, and future potential as a specific novel or emerging drug delivery device application technology platform with strong scientific evidence in the primary literature. Is an attempt to establish an early warning system to detect controlled and direct technological changes and development so as to maximize the public good while minimizing the. What is its importance to evaluate technology? Is to make decisions on learning technology strategies. There is a lack of critical work integrating how technology use is evaluated in education. Why is technological evaluation important in education? When technology is incorporated meaningfully into assessment and instruction, students and teachers have new opportunities to learn and achieve. Experimental and quasi-experimental methods are particularly well suited to draw conclusions about causality, whether a development intervention are actually the cause of changes observed. The methods can tell whether an intervention works or not with high degree of certainty, or at least the level of certainty can be precisely estimated. Is difference between experimental and quasi-experimental. The experimental is research study the participants in both the treatment product users and control product non-users. Group are randomly assigned, and the quasi-experimental research design do not randomly assign participants to treatment or control group for comparison. The most common type of quasi-experimental design is non-equivalent group design. You hypothesize that a new after-school program will lead to the higher grades.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kashler Rakasiumpad, and I report to you about the methods of evaluation. So, there are several methods one can use in technology evaluation. The choice of method is actually based on careful consideration of which methods are most appropriate to the actual evaluation object, the availability of the given data, and the evaluation purpose. So, these followings are the most common sa evaluation most common kanang evaluation method. So ang first kay ang qualitative method. So ang qualitative method kay mo cover siya wide range of methods using several types of data. They can provide insights into the complex dynamics of the actual intervention in the given context and therefore have the potential to help improve interventions. Qualitative methods may involve stakeholders in the different stages of evaluation process, which can greatly enhance of learning effects. Hence, they may be participatory in execution. So, ang ikaduha kay ang quantitative methods. Kaning quantitative methods kay used to analyze large amount of data, particularly when data are expressed in numbers. The analysis using these methods is less vulnerable to the evaluator's own judgment. Thus, using this, it will fit to draw conclusion that can be considered as objective in some cases, as far as long as the large amount of data is available. Sophisticated statistical method make it possible to conclude with a great degree of certainty. So, ang kaning qualitative methods kay kuan siya kanang methods nga nag-use og several types of data nga maka-improve siya insights so anya ang kaning quantitative methods kay kuan siya nga mo-analyze sa large amount of data niya, especially nga magkuan siya ang data kay nagkuan siya og express in numbers. So mao na siya. Thank you.
Good morning, educators. My name is Marjolene F. Ortiz, and I am here in front to tackle about the 5 benefits of technology evaluation. The first benefits is provides short and long-term feedbacks to stakeholders as basis for decision making. Providing short-term and long-term feedback ensures that decisions are made based on accurate information. The second one is measures the value and merit of technology program initiative. It is essential for evaluating effectiveness. It is basis for informed choice. The third one, guides in the selection and procurement of instructional and other system software. Can streamline their decision making, minimize risk, and ensure that the software aligns with their specific needs and strategic objectives. The fourth one measures the cost effectiveness of technology in the overall management of resources, human and non-human. It provides valuable insights for planning and ensuring the efficient and effective use of resources with an organization. And the last one is guides in setting strategic directions in educational program management. They serve as valuable resource for educational leader in making informed decisions that lead to the successful implementation of strategic initiatives. That's all for today. And I